Welcome back, friends. Do you know Ford was among the first multinational automotive companies to enter our Indian market back in 1994? But the sad news is, after 27 years, now the American carmaker is stopping their vehicle production in India. Ford is the fifth automaker which has announced to stop manufacturing in India after MAN Trucks, General Motors, Harley Davidson, and UM Motorcycles. Also, Honda India shuts its facility in Greater Noida and Uttar Pradesh. The Japanese carmaker discontinued its CRV and Civic models in country. However, Honda has another facility in Rajasthan which continues to be operational. So in this video, we will discuss about the rise and fall of Ford India. So let's begin. After operating for 27 years in India, Ford Motor Company has decided to pull the plug on local manufacturing. The US automaker said that it would take a hit of about $2 billion as it does not see a path for profitability in India. The company, which has once tested success with models like Icon, Figo, and EcoSport, but currently a passenger vehicle market share is reduced to less than 2%. Ford India will wind down operation at its plant in Sanad in Gujarat by the fourth quarter of 2021 and Chennai by 2022. Let's have a look why Ford decided to end manufacturing in India. First is weak demand. Ford said it accumulated operating losses of more than $2 billion in 10 years in India and demand for its new vehicle has been reduced. Ford India head Anurag Mehrotra said, "Despite our efforts, we have not able to find a sustainable path forward to long-term profitability." Second reason is limited models. Except for SUVs like EcoSport and Indoors, Ford simply couldn't make a car that was compelling to lot of buyers. We like affordable vehicles down here. We need mileage. We need reliability. Performance is afterthought. Ask the likes of Maruti Suzuki and Hyundai, they will tell you as much. However, Ford never seemed to have fully come to grip with this idea. And when they did get on the small car bandwagon with the launch of Figo in 2010, it was too late. Third reason is low cost cars. India's car market is simply dominated by cars from Maruti Suzuki India and Hyundai Motor India. Ford, on the other hand, struggled for years to turn profitable in India. Ford and Hyundai entered in India in mid 1990s. But two companies have completely different fate when it comes to business. While Hyundai reached into country's second largest player and Ford is shutting down its manufacturing units. Next reason is failed JV effort. What is JV? JV joint venture. Ford India has approached the Skoda Volkswagen Group, Hyundai Motors, Tata Motors, MG Motors, and some electric vehicle startups, including Ola Electrics, to explore partnership, contract manufacturing opportunity, or even sale of one of its facilities as it sought to meet the mid-term target of 8% operating profit, but it was failed. Finally, Ford and Mahindra failed to finalize a joint venture partnership that would have allowed the US automaker to continue producing cars at the low cost. Maybe you are thinking, is this end of road for Mustang and Endors in India? Then the answer is no. The US automaker stated that it will continue to sell some of its high-priced cars in India like Mustang and Endors by importing from other countries, and it will also provide support to dealers to service existing customers. Now, when I heard this news, first question that popped up in my mind is how many employees in India will be impacted? Ford is closing its domestic manufacturing. The Maraimalai Nagar plant in Chennai will be operational till Q2 2022 and Sanand till Q4 2021, due to which around 4,000 Ford employees will lose their jobs. But Ford announced that it will continue to keep its door open for its Ford Business Solutions operations. The company aims to expand its 11,000 strong workforces to include software developers, data scientists, R&D engineers, and finance and accounting professionals to support its global operation and for modernization of the brands. The company said at least 600 workers from the Sanand factory will continue to support Ford business in India. Now, what is the Ford's future plan? The company will aim to develop India into larger market, planning to export CBU and CKD units instead of individually manufacturing vehicles. Ford has unveiled plans to deliver new fully electric and hybrid vehicles, including Mustang Mach-E globally, using new strategies and support structure of Ford Business Solution in India. Even as the company winds down its manufacturing operation, it is said it will continue to provide aftermarket service and support to its customer in India. Now, the question is, as you know, Sanand factory is closing this year, 2021. So, what will happen to that assembly point? The company expects to keep its Sanand engine plant open for some time to support globally engine exports. 500 employees of the plant, which produces engine for globally popular Ranger pickup trucks, will be still operating the plant in some capacity. So this is the good news. The company's factory had a total annual capacity of 4 lakh units, but with reduced sale, the plants had been currently operating with less than 20% of its capacity. So what do you think? Did Ford have any other option to continue in India? So here is my thought. In order to continue producing cars in our market, Ford's only realistic option was to enter a collaboration or joint venture with another car maker in India. The American car maker even entered a JV with Mahindra & Mahindra with an official announcement in October 2019. However, the deal collapsed soon after on December 31, 2020. This backfired quite significantly for Ford, as without JV, it had no new models for the newer feature, with the plants continued to be underutilized. So here is the bottom line. Product launches were slow and variants not there comparing to their competitors. And most observers feel Ford India never really catered to our people's mind. So yeah, depending on who you ask, you will probably get different answers. And in maybe all these factors contributed in some way towards the inevitable exit. In any case, if you have a different take on the matter, don't forget to comment on the comment section. If this video is informative, hit that like button and please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.